Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel shorts. First, you need a clear concept and target audience. Think about what story you want to tell and who you want to reach. Then, outline your plot and character arcs. Finally, gather your basic equipment such as a camera and editing software to begin your filmmaking journey. Pre-production is crucial for a smooth shoot. Start by writing a detailed script with compelling dialogue. Next, create a storyboard to visualize every shot and camera angle, which helps immensely. Finally, cast actors who truly bring your Marvel characters to life, ensuring they fit the roles perfectly.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. Even superheroes need to eat, right? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your super snacks fresh and organized. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. You can find the link to these containers and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
When filming, dynamic camera angles are key for exciting action sequences. Always use external microphones to capture clear, crisp audio, as this significantly improves quality. Remember to shoot multiple takes for each scene. This provides you with plenty of options during the editing process, making your final cut much stronger. Post-production is where your Marvel short truly comes alive. Carefully edit your footage to create a compelling story. Add visual effects to make superhero powers and action sequences look incredible. Finally, incorporate impactful sound effects and a fitting musical score to elevate the emotional depth and overall quality of your film.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.